Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Faiza. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. It does mean a lot to me. So today I am creating this dramatic eye look. So I am just placing the masking tape, following my lower lash line and just putting it on both of the sides and just pressing it just to make sure it's stuck on properly. And then I'm going it with my MAC concealer, blending it out and then setting it with my translucent powder. I don't know, I felt like I put a lot of translucent powder, but it was actually fine, because sometimes when you put a lot of translucent powder on your eyelids, it starts to crease a lot. So just to make sure it was not too much, I was going in with this puff. So now I am going to put this blue shade on. It's bright blue. I literally only had to take like one dip, in the shade, and it was so pigmented. The Be Perfect ones are really good. So I'm just putting that on my eyelid, taking it into my crease, into my inner corner. As you can see, literally just with a very light hand, you just need gonna do that on both of the eyes. Slide it downwards and then take it towards your inner crease, as you can see, which I have done. And just with a very light hand, because it's a very pigmented shade, I did not want to mess up, so I was just taking a very light shade at a time. And now I'm taking this dark blue shade, again packing it on and sliding it in a sliding motion. I took a very little of this as well because this was very pigmented. Now I'm going back in with the fluffy brush. Over it, I'm just going to start to blend it out. As you can see, going back in with the same shade just to darken it up a little bit. As I said, I'm going in little by little, bit by bit, so I don't mess up the look. So here I'm doing the same on the other eye as well, and just blending it all together just to make sure both of the eyes looking like each other basically. So now I'm taking this round brush and I took very little black shade, and I'm trying to create a wing effect here. So I'm just taking it, as you can see, very little, just in the very outer corner, just to create that sharp line. Again, I'm going to do that on both of the side. Again, just taking it like this and just dragging it along. I'm just going to blend that out. Just blending all the shades together. I was just cleaning my brush there, just blending everything out. I just wanted to show you guys the shimmer I'm going to use, but I'm going to use a brush just to create the shade first, but I wanted to show you guys what the shade looked like. So it has this purple tone. I'm going to put that on my lids. First of all, I'm just creating the shape with the brush. I'm just putting it all over my eyelids, making sure the lids are covered. I'm doing that on both of the sides. I'm not covering my whole lid, but I am covering like 75% of my lid. So here I am going in with the concealer brush. It had no concealer on it, just the previous I used just that concealer. I'm just cleaning up everything. So here I am taking my finger and I just putting the shimmer on because I just wanted a little bit more pigment. And now it's time to reveal, and you can see such a sharp line. It looks really nice. So now I'm going to do the rest of my face. I'm just cleaning up any mess that's underneath my eyes. I did the concealer. I'm just blending it all out, creating all the redness on my face. Not creating, hiding all the redness on my face. And I just did the red rest of my face, and now it's time to do the under eyes. So I'm just taking this red shade with a small round brush, just packing it on just like this. And with the bigger brush, which is a round brush as well, I took this yellow shade and I'm just going to blend that out. I did that on both of the eyes, as you can see. Now I'm just putting the kajal eyeliner on, doing the upper lids as well. It is very important to do the upper lids as well. Just putting my highlighter on both of the sides, and highlighting my brow bone with the same highlighter I used on my cheeks, just to make sure that everything just comes together. Now I'm going to do my lips. I've taken this very hot pink shade, applying it on my lips, and I've taken the Max Factor liquid matte lipstick and I'm just applying all over my lips. going over the lip liner as well. So that is the final look. This is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, and also let me know what kind of looks you want to see more. So I hope you guys are liking my videos. I mean, it does mean a lot if you like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell icon, and just show love. It does mean a lot to me. It does take a lot of time and effort to make this video, so I would really appreciate if you guys show some love and support. So till next time, bye.